Hi, this is Edward Troxel. In this post, we're going to look at a forum post that had a person who was adding clips to the timeline from a specific camera, and all of those events, once they got on the timeline, the audio was 4 frames off of the video. So all of the audio pieces needed to be adjusted by 4 frames. And it was a pain to do those one at a time, so we looked at scripting to see how we could do them all at once. So let's see how we do that. Here's the script that we were using. Once again, we're all the same all the way down to my Vegas equals Vegas. Then we're going to go for each track, my track, in my Vegas.project.tracks. For each track event in my track.events. Now we're assuming that the events that needed adjusted were selected ahead of time. So if event.selected, then we go to event.activeTake.offset equals event.activeTake.offset, and then we add 4 frames, timecode.fromFrames4. And that's all we need to do, is just kind of adjust the offset for each one that was selected. Let's see how it works. So here we have 6 events on the timeline. I have selected all of the audio events because those are the pieces that I want to adjust. And then we run the script. And now you can see all of the audio events have been adjusted to the left by 4 frames. And so the video shows plus 0.04 and the audio shows minus 0.04. So that's how you can use a script to adjust the offset if it needs to be adjusted very quickly for a bunch of events at once. In this case, we adjusted every audio event plus 4 frames, which makes it show as listed as minus 4 frames because now we've scooted over to the right the very first frame, which makes it read as minus even though we used a plus in the script. So I hope you find this tutorial useful. Like, subscribe, let me know what you'd like to see, let me know if I make any mistakes, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.